Kids World, positively for kids.
Hello class, I'm Bouncy Bunny.
And I'm Kangaroo Bob. Today, we're going on an ABC adventure. Let's start with the letter A.
A is for ape. Spell it with me. A-P-E, ape.
What sound does A make?
A, ape.
Next, we have B.
B is for bear. Let's spell it together. B-E-A-R, bear. What sound does B make?
B, bear.
Bears can be big and cuddly in stories. Awesome work.
Now, C is for camel. Spell it out. C-A-M-E-L, camel.
What sound does C make?
Camel.
Camels are famous for their humps. Well done, everyone. Let's roar into D.
D is for dinosaur. Spell it. D-I-N-O-S-A-U-R, dinosaur.
What sound does D make?
D, dinosaur.
Dinosaurs roamed the earth long ago. Fantastic spelling.
Next we have E. E is for eagle. Let's spell E-A-G-L-E, eagle. What sound does E make?
E, eagle.
Eagles soar high in the sky. Excellent. F is next.
F is for frog. Spell it. F-R-O-G, frog. What sound does F make?
F, frog.
Frogs hop and ribbit. Splendid job.
G is up next. G is for goat. Spell it with me. G-O-A-T, goat.
What sound does G make?
G, goat.
Goats love to nibble on grass. Great work.
Up next is H.
H is for hippopotamus. Let's spell it together. H-I-P-P-O-T-A-M-U-S, hippopotamus.
What sound does H make?
H, hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus are big and love the water. Wonderful. Okay, now, I. I is for iguana. Spell it. I-G-U-A-N-A, iguana. What sound does I make?
Iguana.
Iguanas are cool lizards with vibrant colors. Keep it up.
Let's move on to J.
J is for jaguar. Spell it J-A-G-U-A-R, jaguar. What sound does J make?
Jaguar.
Jaguars are fast and spotted. Amazing job! We will take a break here. Until next time, join us for another amazing episode of In the Classroom with Bob and Bouncy, where we will take you through K to T.
Kids World, positively for kids.